Hello, this is Raymond Aaron, your one-minute mentor, and we're at the second part of a two-part series. The first part was Be the Same, which I strongly endorse, and the second part is Be Different, which, paradoxically, I strongly endorse. Why? Because if you're the same as everybody else, then you're going to get the results that everyone else gets. And if we look at the Western world, what we find is that most people are in credit card debt, most people are unsatisfied, most people do not have a fulfilling life, and most people don't earn much more money than the average. Because everyone is the average, people are the same in basically everything they do. So there's a time to be the same, but there's a time and space to be different. I want you to be just a little bit different. If you're a realtor, don't tell people that you're a realtor. If you're a dentist, don't tell people you're a dentist. Differentiate yourself in some way. Be different in some way. I don't mean that you have to be a Mahatma Gandhi in which 1 billion people in India wanted to violently overthrow their British oppressors and he stood alone and said, no, let's do it peacefully. I don't mean you have to be a Mahatma Gandhi. I just mean whatever you do, differentiate yourself. Be slightly different. How do I do it? By way of example, well, I'm not just a teacher. What I do is I help you double your income doing what you love. And I'm not just a interviewer. There's lots of people who have interview programs. When I talk about my being an interviewer, I say I mail the world's smartest self-made millionaires to your door every month. I'm slightly different. Make sure you're slightly different. Larry King, he wears suspenders. Nobody wears suspenders these days, but he wears suspenders. That's his little shtick. That's his little way to be different. When you are the same and therefore you belong, and that's wonderful, that's good, but you also have to be a little bit different to differentiate yourself. And when you do differentiate yourself, people notice you. When they notice you, you can make far more money completely effortlessly. So yes, belong, and yes, be the same, but in some important way, be different. Think about how you could be different in some little or significant way. You are now 60 seconds closer to your abundant and fulfilling mentored life.